Hello, my name is Dr. Harpreet Kaur. Uh, I have completed my postdoc from Eudoxia Research Center, India. So today I'm just here to highlight some of my struggles in my life, which I have faced during my whole journey in my teaching career. So I just want to share one of my uh, struggle which I have faced during my schooling time. Actually, I am very hardworking and intelligent person in who is have very much, like I can say, a crush on education. So I have tried all the time for my studies. So in up to 10th, I have got 80% marks, but after that there is a certain situation in my family when my mother got very sick and she was not able to walk. So at that time, I just missed my hope to continue my study from 11th standard. And but somehow, with the grace of God, I'm able to complete my plus one and plus two. And after that, I have never thought that I would be an engineer and will be working in teaching profession for the 18 years. But at that time I have missed the same hope that that is the end of my education, but there is a zeal in my soul that I have to continue my education somehow, because at that time in our family there is I can say no one is too much educated who can just motivate me or to decide which direction I should go. Yeah? So at that time one of the person that is in touch with me, and he always called me, mom, you have got scored good marks and you have to take to admission in your BTech. So at that time I was just distressed about all these things, but somehow I was managed to convince my parents that I have to continue my study in BTech. So after struggling, I got the admission in BTech, and after completion of BTech and doing my 4 year experience in teaching at the BCET college that is situated in Ludhiana. And after that, I completed my MTech from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana itself. So it was a wonderful experience for me to handle all those things. Like I have done the part-time MTech, and considering all the issues, handling all things parallelly with the job and home, and it gave me a very much a good direction that yes, females can also do better than males. So in that direction I moved forward in the same direction, and I got selected in Chandigarh University as an assistant professor, and I have worked here for last 13 years, and I have explored so many things in that university, and I haven't been in touch with the Eudoxia fortunately in 2024. So I'm just scrolling the Facebook just for my time pass, and I have stuck that message from your side that there is an advertisement for getting the admission in postdoc. I have never thought to complete my postdoc in that way, but yes, it's a great adventure for me also. So in 2024, when I got that message from the Facebook, and I'm just thinking, I have not thought for a 1 minute, and at the same time I just clicked on it and just called the person. I think this is Sukhvinder sir, Dr. Sukhvinder sir. So on the spot, on the same day, I have got admission on the postdoc, and the next day I got the letter from your side that you have been selected for postdoc on the basis of merit. And I was so happy at that time, but I don't think at that time how I would accomplish this project in a very good way. So actually my postdoc is like my dream area. So because in PhD I have done integration of solar and biomass, because I belongs to a Punjab state, India. So in Punjab, I have seen that agriculture is the main source of Punjab. So my basically research focus is on biomass from starting in 2012. So after doing research in the same area, I have good strike the in my mind that I have to integrate the solar and biomass just to generate electricity for rural people. So I have gone through all these circumstances which daily people, uh, rural people facing these kinds of problems. So I got that struck that idea, and I've just started working on it and calculated all those materials for the whole Punjab state. I think at that time there are only 22 state districts in the Punjab state. So I have done all calculations for these states, and then I have got the idea that this is a better way to do the research, because being a female, sometimes it may be difficult to take leave from college or to take leave from the daily events like household works in home. So I think it's a very good idea for females to continue the study in this way, because there are a number of things that research is not doing the actual experimental work in the labs also. So it may be a kind of survey. So we can pursue our ideas in a very different ways, avoiding our circumstances also. So all these things make me made me a good researcher in this field. And after that, I have just integrated my PhD with the biomass and solar for electric vehicles, because nowadays you have seen that electric vehicle is a very down sorts title today's for research. So I have just got the idea and started the work on it, and now after completion of my postdoc, I have seen that I have in that position which I have never seen in my dream, because it's like seriously a success story for me also, because I have to share all these things with my friends and colleagues, because sometimes what happens, females in our society are not that much motivated to do these kinds of research due to household works and other things. So it gives me immense pleasure to share my this success story, and I thankful to Eudoxia for motivating me every time to do that kind of things which I have not imagined in my dreams. Because I know Dr. Supinder sir has suggested in the first progress uh, to integrate the Lagrange's methods and AI tools. So I think that is the best option to sitting in a lab and just doing my work on the laptop is a very good way of doing the research, because I think Eudoxia is providing online all facilities. So it's a very good thing for females like me, है ना, who have just want to complete their dreams at home also, because it never disturb your life actually, and we can pursue all these kinds of things online, because nowadays technology is advanced and we can meet online anytime with anyone, right? So it's my suggestion for all females in the India and the world, that if we have determined to do something, so I think God will push us, and I think there are a number of God's angels are there around us who always wishes best for us. And because of this, I have successfully completed my postdoc in this area, and it's like a dream comes true for me. So thank you very much for Eudoxia for giving me the opportunity for completion of this my research.